Hi, today we are going to discuss about recent changes in invoice management system, which is shortly called IMS. As per GST portal advisory dated 23rd September 2025, there are several new changes are going to be introduced with effect from October 2025 tax period. The first one is now we could use the pending action for a specified records. For example, till date we cannot kept as pending for the credit note or amendment in credit note, downward amendment of debit note or downward amendment of invoice for which the supplier is going to reduce his liability. These items cannot be kept as a pending in a IMS. But with effect from October 2025, that records can be kept as a pending for a tax period. That means if you are a monthly filer, you can kept as a pending for the month. If you have opted QRMP, that means you are a quarterly filer, you have a option to kept pending for the set quarter. Okay, so thereafter we cannot be kept as a pending. We have to take action in the subsequent period, whether we could reject or accept, but cannot be kept as pending for more than one tax period. Okay, and that advisory also clarified that if a recipient has not availed any ITC for a relevant invoice or any document, no reversal of ITC shall be warranted. It says in GSTR 3B, if you are wholly not going to avail ITC for a single invoice or a multiple invoices, we need not to declare that value in a reversal figure and all other ITC figure. But if we are going to reverse partial amount, as per rule 42 or 43, you are only eligible to avail ITC for a partial amount. But in cases where ITC has been availed only partially, then in the IMS dashboard itself, we have to declare the figure to be reversed. Then it will be auto-populated in GSTR 2B as well as in GSTR 3B. Okay, it is not enabled in the GST portal yet. We will see once it is enabled. Okay, and there is another facility also going to be introduced, which is option to save remarks. So once you are going to reject an invoice, you may put a reason for the rejection in the remarks column, and such remarks will also available in GSTR 2B of a recipient and IMS dashboard of a supplier. So these three major changes are going to be introduced in invoice management system. So these are the very welcome changes in the IMS. And other than the option to save remarks, all the facility will be enabled in the October 2025 return period. The option to save remarks will be enabled